Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got 8 stars today.
8 stars? I hope I get more stars tomorrow. Good night. Cutie, cutie.
Maybe on the list.
Now I got my shopping list. No time wasting. Milk. Musical instruments. Musical instruments. Musical instruments. Want a musical instrument? Hi. Hi. How can I help you? Do you want some musical instruments? Yes, please. Which one do you want? A piano, please. Okay. It's $20. $20? Only $5? Then you have this. This microphone? I want a piano, not a microphone. Okay. It's $20. Okay. I need $20 to buy a piano, but I only have $5. Car wash. I think I can work there. Car wash, car wash, car wash, car wash. Do you want to wash? Yes, please. It's ready. Okay. $5. Thank you. Car wash, car wash. Can you wash my car, please? Sit. Oh no! The car is ready now. Okay. $5, please. Thank you. Car wash, car wash. Wash, please. Okay. Have a seat. $5, please. Thank you. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20. Wow, I got 20. I can buy the piano. Hi. Here are $20. Yeah, take it. Oh, thank you. Ooh.
At this time? Singing and dancing at this time of night? Oh no! And it's too messy here.
Sorry, I didn't check the time. I'm only playing.
Then you need a to-do list for yourself.
Huh? To-do list?
Ashu, here is the to-do list for you. Every day when you do these things right, you will get a star.
Okay. I'll start doing this from tomorrow morning. Good morning. Oh, yeah. Making bed.
Oh yeah! Very good. So you will get a star.
Next brushing.
Oh yeah!
What's next? Let me check. Exercise.
Doing exercise? What about brushing?
Brushing? I already did it.
Oh, then you get 2 stars.
1, 2, 3. I got 3 stars already. Yay! Next is eating healthy. Fruits and vegetables is healthy. And I'm very hungry. Fruits are healthy.
You're eating candy? You are supposed to eat healthy fruits.
Sorry.
You don't get a star.
Okay. Time to dress up.
Dressed up? Dressing? You dressed up very good, but all these mess, you won't get a star. Sorry.
Okay.
Next is reading. Come on, read your book.
Thank you. I'm done my reading.
Oh yeah!
Next is homework. I'm done my homework.
Finish your homework?
Yes.
You get a star for doing homework. Now it's your playtime.
Yay!
Clean. So you had a good playtime and you cleaned your room. So you get playtime a star.
Yay!
And cleaning room the other one.
Yay!
Now it's a bedtime.
Okay.
So you get a star for bedtime too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got 8 stars today.
8 stars? I hope I get more stars tomorrow. Good night. Oh, Mommy, where are you going?
I'm going office, girls.
Office? Who's going to be with us?
Nani is going to come, girls. Don't worry, okay?
Okay.
Oh yeah!
I think Nani is here. Let me open the door. Hello. Hello, Nani. You know what? The list is on the board. Please follow. Oh, follow the list? Okay. No problem. List. I'm getting late. Okay, see you later. Bye. I will look after the kids. Don't worry. Have a nice day. Oh, hello, girls.
Hello, Nani.
Oh, you girls are okay?
Yes.
Let's do some reading now, okay?
Reading already? I'm hungry.
Hungry? Okay, I'll get something to eat, okay?
Okay. Cutie.
Eat fruits, girls. Fruits? Yes. Fruits are very healthy.
Check the list.
List? You know what? The list is on the board. Please follow. Oh, yeah. Okay. Eat junk food? That's so strange. Never mind. I'll follow the list. Okay. Here you go, girls.
Yay!
Okay, girls. Eat, okay?
Okay.
Girls! Stop it! What's going on?
Check the list.
List? Okay. Girls, now let's do some studies, okay?
No, we want to watch TV.
Watch TV?
Check the list.
List? Watch TV? I'll just follow the list. Maybe on the list.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus.
Nani! Girls, what's going on here? Toys everywhere? Watching TV? Yeah, I just followed the list. So you mean you follow the list? Ashu, Cutie! Cutie! Ashu!
We are sorry. Welcome to Katy Cutie Market. I'm going to the market to get some groceries.
Oh yeah!
Hello, welcome to my market. Here is the basket. Thank you. What is this? Rainbow squash.
Much later.
It got late. I need to go home. See you in a bit. Bye. Bye.
Oh yeah!
Ashu, what happened? You went to market, right?
Yes, but I was just playing, so I didn't buy anything.
So you're only playing with the toys in the market? You didn't buy anything?
I was so confused. I didn't know what to buy.
Oh, that's why you need to have a shopping list.
Shopping list? What is that?
Shopping list is you need to make a list what you need to buy from market. You need to take a pen and paper, stuck in the fridge and in the kitchen and make a list what you need to buy. Write down, okay?
Oh yeah!
Mommy, I know what to buy now. Let's write down.
Okay. So what is the first one?
Milk.
Okay. Next.
Egg.
So now the list is ready. Here you go.
Thank you. Hello, welcome to my store. Here you go. Basket.
Oh yeah!
Now I got my shopping list. No time wasting. Milk.
Oh yeah!
Milk. Eggs. Eggs is already here. Next is bread. Where can I find bread, please? Oh, it's there in the basket. Okay, thank you. This fruits.
Oh yeah!
Next is baby food. I need food for my baby sister. Can you pay for my shopping? Okay. Here you go. Thank you. Thanks for coming to my store. Visit again. Bye. Mommy, I got the things.
That was very quick.